Going to change brake pads. This is easy done. Couple of wee pins you pull out. These wee pins hold that pin in place. Put them down somewhere safe and push that pin right out. Once it's out, give it a wee clean. Wire brush. It's pretty clean anyway, it doesn't go dirty. And what you want to do is try and push this piston back in. So you do it like that. And then pull the brake pads out. There's one. And this you can push over to pull the other one out. Just like that. Now, I'll get the new ones to show you. These are MotoMaster and they're high performance brake pads, according to the thing. The brake pads aren't very thick on the back of these bikes, so as you can see it is worn. But you see the difference between the old pad and the new pad, so it's well more than halfway. So what to do is get one of your old pads, line it up with the new one, make sure it's all exactly the same size, and if it is, it's ready to put in. So, easiest way to do it is put this side in first. Put this side in first. It goes in like that, and it'll just sit there. Just making sure it goes in. You can buy stuff like this. This is a paste. It stops brake squeal. A lot of people think brake squeal's caused by the pad rubbing on here and it's making the squealing noise. What the squealing noise is actually the pad vibrating, and it vibrates that fast, that high of a frequency, that it causes a squealing sound. It's not the squealing by rubbing, it's vibration that causes the squealing. So you can use this brake quiet. It's a red paste. Put it on the back of your caliper. Don't be scared to put it on. And what happens is once this is in place, this stuff sets like rubber and it stops the pad from vibrating. Try not to get it in your hand like me. And then just slide your pad into place like that. Then get your second one. Second pad, do the same again. Get a wee drop of this stuff on the outside just to stop it from squealing. Then push your caliper over and this should slide in the other side. So, get your pin, line them up, slide them through second one, and pop your pins in, like that, and you just need to line the second hole up. Where is it? I can't see it. Pull it back through a bit. Now, once you've got the first clip in, the second clip goes in. There's a recess here. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll try and get closer. There's a recess and the clip goes down that recess into the hole. Like that. I don't think that's right in, so I'll be retrying that. I'll just double check it. And that's how it's done. Once you've done that, pump the pedal a few times, make sure the brake's locking, which this will be, and then that's it done. Easy. Change brake pads yourself. Again, this was the kind I got from me at AMX Superstore in Hoppers Crossing. Does the job. 403202 was the part number. And brake pads in. And again, this liquid here, it's good for doing bike brakes, car brakes, Jeep brakes, any kind of brakes. Put that in the back. If you've got the old metal shims, the copper shims that go in the back, you want to get rid of them, throw them out and use this stuff instead. Works a treat. And I've used it for years and it works fine. Anyway, see you later. Bye.